Hi everybody, so I told you we were going to have chili rellenos, and the dish is set up, and the chili rellenos are over there. Frugal RV Gal cooked them, and you already have a video on your channel, don't you, Jana?
Correct.
So if y'all want to, I'll get that link and I'll put it in the video description in the pinned comment if you want to see how she makes them. But we are all huddled around my propane fire bowl. That was my last video. Oh, what were you going to say?
I was going to say you have to have raisins and pecans with Chile Relleno Casserole.
And where did you learn that?
A restaurant in my hometown.
That's it right there. And so Jana has done all of this. Thank you, Jana.
Thank you, Jana.
Okay, everybody, let's eat up. All right. Woohoo! Woohoo! Can we get a 3 cheers for Jana?
3 cheers. Cheer, cheer, cheer.
You guys, look! Right as we were finishing up Chili Rellenos, Babs came to join us. Woo!